Today we're going to be discussing the service and maintenance of the ground wheel drive spinner gearbox assembly. This gearbox assembly is used on Doyle's 2, 5, and 6-ton ground wheel drive spreaders. The main gearbox here is filled with ISO 68 oil. The proper oil level would be halfway up the sight gauge here, which is approximately 21 quarts of oil. To service your Doyle gearbox, you will need to remove the drain plug using a 15/16 wrench, and then remove the 30 5/16 bolts using a 1/2-inch wrench and socket. Now that we have the cover off, you can see that Doyle uses 60 series chains and sprockets on their gearboxes. The upper shaft is powered by the press wheel on the machine. It runs the middle shaft, which runs the spinner gearboxes, and the lower shaft runs the apron. To troubleshoot this gearbox, we will have to remove the chains by removing the master link from them and completely removing the chains out of the box. Now that we have removed the chains, we're going to inspect the gearbox. We're going to start right here on this upper shaft. We're going to turn this to make sure it turns freely and there's no binding. We're also going to check the teeth to make sure they're not wore or chipped. Same thing on the middle shaft. We are going to turn it to make sure it turns freely. Make sure you don't feel any binding. If everything feels okay there, then we're going to check the duplex sprocket, make sure it turns freely and there's no galding. Now to the lower shaft, we're going to grab the sprocket and make sure everything turns freely there. Inside this gearbox, we use 5 4-bolt flange bearings. You will not need to grease them, and they are sealed with silicone. Doyle uses stretch-to-fit seals on both output shafts of the gearbox, where the lower shaft has a pressed-in seal with a stretch-to-fit seal over top of it. They also use 2 other stretch-to-fit seals, one on the inside of the gearbox in the middle shaft, and one on the upper pulley shaft on the outside of the box. The middle shaft here actually turns the 2 spinner gearboxes. These gearboxes hold about 12 ounces of Syngear 7460 oil or equivalent. To ensure the proper oil level on your smaller spinner gearboxes, you will need to remove the Allen screw with a 1/4-inch Allen wrench and fill it here until the oil drains out. After repair, use silicone on the plate prior to installation. Doyle recommends you check your oil in your gearbox before every use and change the oil in your gearbox every year. For complete information on service and repair on Doyle's 2, 5, and 6-ton ground wheel drive spreaders, please see the link below.